Hello friends. I am Rajesh. Welcome to Everyday English. Struggling to talk about yesterday. Saying I go to market yesterday instead of I went. Mixing tenses and sounding wrong in English. These mistakes kill your confidence in conversations and job interviews. But don't worry, I know your pain. By the end of this video, all your past indefinite tense doubts will be gone forever. You'll speak perfect past tense like a pro. Promise. Just watch till the end. Quick example, wrong I go to market yesterday. Correct I went to market yesterday. That's past indefinite tense. Let's master it now. Formula subject plus V2, second form of verb. I went to school. She cooked food. No helping verb needed. Just change the verb to second form. Simple. Real life example, you wake up. Your friend asks, what did you do yesterday? You say, I watched a movie. I ate pizza. I slept late. All actions finished yesterday. Done. Complete. That's past indefinite tense. Keywords, yesterday I watched TV yesterday. Last night, last week, last year, she called me last night. Ago he left 2 hours ago. In 2020 they got married. In 2020. Common mistakes, wrong I go to market. Right I went to market. Wrong she eated food. Right she ate food. Wrong he did not went home. Right he did not go home. After did not always use V1. Not V2. Remember this. Always. Negative structure, subject plus did not plus V1. I did not sleep well. She did not come yesterday. Question structure, did plus subject plus V1. Did you sleep well? Did she call you? Short answers, yes, I did. No, I did not. Practice, say after me, I went to the market yesterday. She finished her work last night. They played cricket 2 hours ago. He did not reply to my message. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Say them loudly. Repeat daily. Thank you for watching till the end. All doubts cleared. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you next time.